Hello dear friends, my name is Dr. Dimenjani and today we are going to discuss the methods of generating ideas and identifying opportunities and evaluation. So first of all, let us understand the basis of them generating ideas. So even with a wide variety of resources available, coming up with an idea serves as a basis of new venture can still pose a problem, particularly since the idea is the basis for the business. Entrepreneur can use several methods to help generate and test new ideas, such as a focus group, brainstorming, brainwriting, and problem of inventory analysis. First point that we're going to discuss, that is the focus group. Focus group have been used for a variety of purposes since 1950s. In focus group, moderator leads a group of people through an open and in-depth discussion rather than simply asking questions to solicit participants' response. For a new product area, the moderator focuses the discussion of the group either in a directive or non-directive manner. The group of frequently 8 to 14 participants is stimulated by comments from each other in a creative and conceptualizing and developing a new product or service idea to fill a market need. Second point is brainstorming. Brainstorming method stimulates people to be creative by meeting with others and participating in organized group experience. Although most of the ideas generated by the group have no basis for further development, sometimes a good idea may also emerge. This has a product or market area. When using brainstorming, 4 rules need to be followed. First is no criticisms allowed at all. There should be no negative comments from any of the group members of any idea. Freewheeling is encouraged, that is, the wider idea, the better is. So there is encouragement of even stupid ideas. Third point is quantity of ideas is desired. The greater the number of ideas, the greater the likelihood of the emergence of useful idea. And fourth and most important point, that is combination and improvements of ideas are encouraged. So ideas of others can be used to produce the still another new ideas. The brainstorming session should be fun, with no one dominating or inhibiting the discussion. A large commercial bank successfully used brainstorming to develop a journal that would provide quality information to its industrial clients. The brainstorming among the financial executive focused on the characteristics of the market, the information content, frequency of issue, and the promotional value of the journal for the bank. Once a general format, issue, frequency were determined, focus group of vice president of finance of Fortune 1000 company were held in 3 cities, that is Boston, Chicago, and Dallas, to discuss a new journal format and relevancy and the value to them. The results of this focus group provides as the basis of the new financial journal that was well received by the market. Next point is brainwriting. Brainwriting is a form of written brainstorming. It was created at the end of 1960 under the name method of 635 and differs from classical brainstorming by giving participants more time to think than in the brainstorming session, where the ideas are expressed spontaneously. Brainwriting is a silent written generation of ideas by a group of people. The participants write their ideas on special form or cards that circulate within the group, which usually consist of 6 members. Each member generates and write down 3 ideas during the 5-minute time period. The form is passed on the other person who writes down the 3 different ideas, so on until each form has passed all the participants. A leader monitors the time intervals and can reduce or increase the time given to the participants according to the need of the group. Participants can also be spread geographically with the sheet rotated electronically. Next point is problem of inventory analysis. Problem of inventory analysis uses individual in a manner of analogous to focus group to generate new product ideas. However, instead of generating new ideas themselves, consumers in the groups are provided with the list of general product categories. They are then asked to identify and discuss the products in the category that have the particular problem. This method is often effective since it is easier to relate knowledge, product, or suggested problems and arrive at the product idea than generate entire new product idea itself. Problem of inventory analysis can also be used to test a new product idea. An example of this approach was in the food industry. One of the most difficult problem in this example was in developing an exhaustive list of problems such as weight, taste, appearance, and cost. Once a complete list of problem is developed, individual can usually associate products with the problem. Results from the product inventory analysis needs to be carefully evaluated as they may not actually reflect a new business opportunity. For example, General Foods introduction of a compact cereal box in response to the problem that available boxes did not fit well in the shelf was not successful, as the problem of package size has little effect on actual purchasing behavior. To ensure the best result, problem inventory analysis should be used primarily to identify the product ideas for further evaluations. Moving on to the next point, that is identifying opportunity and its evaluation. Opportunity assessment plan has 4 sections, 2 major sections and 2 minor sections. First major sections that discuss and develops the product service idea, analyzes the competitive product and companies, and identifies the uniqueness of the idea in terms of unique selling propositions. That includes description of the products or services, the market need of the product or services, the specific aspects of the product or services, competitive product presently available filing this need and their features and prices, the companies in this product or service market space, the unique selling proposition of the product or the selling. Next point is the second major section of the opportunity assessment plan focuses on market, the size of the market, trends in the market, characteristics of the market, growth rate, which includes the market need field, the social condition underlying in this market need, any data available to describe the market need, size, trend, and characteristics of domestic as well as international markets, and the growth rate of the market. The third section includes, that is a minor section that focuses on development of the entrepreneurs and management skills. It focuses on background, education, skills, and experience of the entrepreneur. It should include answers to the following questions, that is, how does the product or service idea fit into the background and experiences of the entrepreneur and the team? What business skills and experiences are present? What business skills and experiences are needed? Is there someone who has these needed skills and experiences? Next point is final section of the opportunity assessment plan develops a timeline indicating what steps needs to be taken to successfully launch the venture by translating the idea into a viable business entity. This minor section also focuses on identifying each steps, determining the sequences of the activity and putting these critical steps into some sequential manner, identifying what will be accomplished in each step, determining the time, money required at each step, determining the total amount of time and money needed, identified the source of the needed money. Thank you so much dear students for observing this wonderful video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.